Starting off, put your bag or box, I don't care what it is, on the table or bed. Then you open it up and you take out your whatever phone box, whatever the hell it is, I don't care. It can be anything. And here's the phone box. It removes like the plastic thing that covered it. Very nice. It's the iPhone 13. Promise, trust me, it is real. Then you have these little tab things. I'm gonna have some difficulty opening it. Yeah, very nice difficulty. You can't really open it like that. So now I'll have to change the camera angle. And as you guys can see, I am having a lot more ease while opening it, which is pretty nice. And opening the second one, sheesh, very nice. Okay, then we flip the box over and we do the satisfying thing, whatever you do, pull the cover off, and there's the phone. Oh my god, guys. No, I just busted a nut there, I think. And that is not that type of nut, but whatever. Um, okay, never mind. Okay, so that's the phone. I dropped it right there, which is pretty sick. Now I'm placing it aside. I cringed. Like, oh my god, so hard. That's the power cable, if you don't know. And yeah, that's the weird stuff that the pin ejector, SIM ejector, the manual that nobody reads, and they reduced the Apple stickers. They reduced the Apple stickers. That makes me mad. Now let's focus on the phone. The phone, the 13. Oh, it's so expensive. And then now we take off the stupid cover. The stupid cover. The one that makes a satisfying noise, or is supposed to, but I don't feel satisfied. So if you do, that's amazing. Have a nice life, I guess. And that's basically the phone. And yeah, the phone. Damn. Now, as you guys can see, I have the iPhone 13 in front of me, and you guys can see it too. I tried booting it, but it wouldn't boot. But they lowered the buttons, as we can see right here. They used to be much higher inside the 12 and 11. They also changed the camera arrangement. Really nice creativity. Then, moving on. This phone is actually pretty thick, and I'm about to drop it right here. It's pretty, actually not, yeah, right here. Yeah, that made me cringe the second time. Second time I dropped it. So basically, as you can see, it's really easy and it retains like your fingerprints and stuff, and that's the speaker layout. They have also actually made the phone 0.3 millimeters thicker. Like, that's a huge difference. Makes a very big difference. Now we just boot up the phone. If it wants to boot up, yep. Now it starts booting up. It takes a very long time to boot up because this phone is new. Yeah. So it is booting up, which is nice, and it says hello to me, and it glitches. It glitches. I swear I never realized this when it was opening, but it glitched when I rewatched the recording. So I don't know if that was a defect or it was just a recording defect, but this is the main screen of the phone. Now we're gonna do the stupid settings that everybody has to do in the beginning of the setting up your phone. So now we're done. Settings, power of editing, and don't, oh no, the phone shut up. Now, no, my pin, no. And then yeah, that was my pin, very sad. And then yeah, basically this is the home screen of the phone. Instead of pushing everything to the front, it like moves it. Now we're gonna take a picture, snap, and the picture quality is pretty nice, but you can't see how good it is because this video is at 1080p and yeah, whatever, blah blah blah. I don't care. Yeah, and then yeah, basically this is the phone, and yeah, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm just doing something. I'm just um, yeah. Basically, they made the phone 0.3 millimeters thicker, which is pretty nice. But this is what I imagine Apple is going to do. Oh my god, we made a new phone. Oh my god, I have a new iPhone idea. Holy shit, what is it, man? Oh, you know what we should do? We should take the iPhone. We should take the cameras, right? We should take the cameras from the 11 and 12, and then we should just shift them over. Shift them over. Like, diagonal. Nobody's ever thought of that, man. Oh my god, dude. Holy shit. I'm so amazed, bro. How oh my god. Oh my god. And then the chip is supposed to be an A15 or something. A14, and then we just change it into an A15 and make no difference, no difference at all. Okay, no difference. Just they won't see it coming because we changed the numbers. Okay, then you know how the consumer phone has a oh my god, the consumer phone has a 60 hertz screen. You know that, right? Like the mainstream people, the cheap one. Yeah, the one that costs half your fucking rent a month. Yeah, and yeah, that one. The one that costs half your rent. We should make that 60 hertz. The one that costs a whole month's freaking rent. That one should be a 120 hertz. They won't see it coming. Like we have done this for like the past 3 generations of phones. They won't see it coming, man. Holy shit. They won't see it coming, bro. We have such huge brains, man. Such huge freaking brains. Apple, please sponsor me. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I just lost my mind there. But yeah, basically this video is late because I got lazy in recording and on editing. Actually, I didn't get lazy on recording. I got lazy on editing. But I will be making a video on an update on everything, on like how I feel about using the phone and shit like that. And yeah, subscribe, like, do whatever you want. I don't care. And peace.